In this video, I'm going to explain how you sign up for CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate, which was formerly known as Commission Junction, works slightly differently from other affiliate programs. In fact, CJ Affiliate acts as a facilitator for different companies' affiliate programs. So each company, each website is independent, but they do their affiliate program through CJ Affiliate. So CJ Affiliate coordinates everything from all these different companies. So after signing up, you'll still need to be approved by each individual merchant. To sign up, come here to cj.com and then scroll down to where it says Free Publisher Sign Up and click on the link or click on the button. And you've got this page here where you can click the button to say Sign Up Today, or there's some popular support topics that you can read through. To sign up, just simply click where it says Sign Up Today. Takes you through to this page where you have the application form to fill out. You set your language, country, and you can choose it from this drop-down menu here, and the currency as well. And then they want your contact information, your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and so on. And then your company information. If you are trading as an individual, you simply repeat the information that you've put above. Then they want the information about your website. So you have to have a website already before you can sign up for CJ. And they want the URL and they want a description of the website. You will then select your category. And you can see there's lots of different categories to go through. And what your current unique monthly visitors are. So it's a good idea to actually have a website that's getting some traffic, because that stands a better chance of getting accepted. I know they do have an option here for not yet launched, but your chances of being approved are higher if you do already have some traffic coming to your site. Then you have to agree to the various terms and conditions. You have their service agreement that you must agree to. And you have to agree to the CJ Publisher Service Agreement, the Code of Conduct, Privacy Policy, age certification. You have to be at least 18 years of age to sign up for CJ. And the certification of authority, that if you're acting on behalf of a company, then you have the authority to do so. You have to fill out the CAPTCHA and then click on the button here to accept the terms. So let me just pause the video while I do that. Okay, and you can see I've filled it all out now. And this is all fiction, by the way. There's no such address. I've just done this for demonstration purposes. You can see I've done all that and I filled out the CAPTCHA, and now I just need to click here on Accept Terms. And there we are, that's done. What will happen next, as it says here, is I will get an email with my login information, username and password. And here is the email that you'll be sent after you sign up. It's got the account ID and the password, which I'm obscuring for security reasons. And then there's some information that you'll need to send them, like your tax information, and then you can start searching for advertisers and so on. Let me just log in so you can see what the account manager looks like. Come here, enter my email and password, and then click on Go. And this is what it looks like on the other side. Obviously, as this is a brand new account, there's no information. So it's showing the commission as being zero sales, 0 leads, 0 clicks, 0 impressions, etc. Let's just go through some of the other settings here just so you can see. This is the Accounts tab. And as you can see, it gives information about the account, and you can edit it if you wish. It's also telling me that I need to supply the tax information to be eligible for payment. These are the administrative settings. Here's the network profile, which you have to fill out, and you have to give information about your business model, your promotional methods, and that sort of thing. Let's go back up. Let me show this one here, advertisers. And here's where you can select advertisers that you'd like to work with, advertisers whose products you would like to promote. And it gives you information about each advertiser. Obviously, the higher the graph goes across here, the better network earnings ratio. And it gives you an idea as to the 3 months earnings per click, 7 days earnings per click, how much you make per sale, and so on. And it also says the currency. Some are in dollars, some are in pounds, and some are in euros, as you can see here. And you can drill down and search within this box here, so you only find advertisers who are in your particular niche. And then once you've decided to sign up, you can click here to join the program. You click on the button, but then you'll have to wait to be approved by this particular advertiser. That's where CJ differs from some of the other programs. And then there are things like links and widgets and so on, which are similar to the ones that are in the Amazon Associates program. So there you go, just a very brief overview of how to sign up for CJ Affiliate.